Hello and welcome to CBS Automotive and Cambridge Car Audio. My name is Ardil and I'm really proud to show you another one of our videos. So what we've been working on today is the brand new Mazda 3. Absolutely love the look of this vehicle, really nice. So what we've installed this vehicle with is the latest dash camera from Thinkware, which is the Q800 Pro. It's a 2K image quality from the front camera, really easy to use application, gives you loads of features as well as a really high quality dash camera. So what we're going to do, we're going to step inside the vehicle, show you what you're going to see from the front as well as what you can see from the rear in terms of the rear camera. So it's a front and rear system which comes in the box with a 32 gig SD card, but we do options up to 128 gig SD card if you wanted to go down that route. So the dash camera basically gives you functionality for speed camera detection, as well as uploading footage straight up to the cloud. Also view your footage via the SD card or via an application on your phone. So we're going to step inside the vehicle now and show you exactly what you're going to see as a customer. So what we're going to see inside the vehicle now, so we're going to be highlighting what you're going to see from a customer's perspective of the rear camera. So the cable run that we've gone is through factory grommets, so there's no visible cabling whatsoever. You see a very small bit of cable and it's just 3M taped onto the plastic trim, so there's no damage and it's completely reversible, so you can change the system. When you sell this particular vehicle, they can change it over and move it to their next vehicle. So one thing that's really nice about a professional install of these dash camera systems is that you can't see any visible cabling whatsoever. Everything's done safely and to the highest possible standards. So from the driver's seat, you cannot see the dash camera from the front at all. It's completely hidden by the factory mirror. So we give the customer the box, which basically contains an SD card converter, some extra sticky pads, as well as a user manual. But what we're going to do now, customers just arrived back to pick up their vehicle. We're going to hand it over to them, show them exactly how it works, so they can have a full understanding of how this product works and functions, so they can get the most out of it. So thank you very much for watching our short video. We look forward to upgrading your car soon. Thank you.